If you own a UTV like this one, chances are you're going to modify it. In fact, most people do. And if you have a wish for your UTV, something you want, I've got the genie right here. Now, Dustin, you're with All Thingz UTV. How All Thingz is All Thingz?
Well, we troll the internet looking for problems as far as what we need to address to help the end consumer have the best experience with the unit they bought from OE manufacturer.
So you see something people are complaining about or something they need, and you jump in and fill that need.
That is correct.
I got you. Well, so what are some of the more popular things you have? You told me about a heads-up display you've got?
Yes, for the Honda Talon, the consumer has a desire to move the gauge cluster from the center of the dash to a more heads-up location, and we've got a bracket that we have built to accomplish that.
How does it work?
So basically, we take the gauge out of the center, and we mount it onto the plate using the factory wiring harness minus one part, and then we just bolt it right there in front of the head, right there in front of the steering wheel. And then the filler panel is actually a switch panel for your ACC accessory switches.
So you're not just putting a blank panel there, it's actually still useful, and you're using the same wires.
Yep, we're utilizing anything that we can.
Simple hookup.